February 7th, 2024. Gonna do it real time. Alright. First thing you want to do is get you some Scotch-Brite. Don't throw away your old sponges. They got Scotch-Brite on them. You Scotch-Brite that, polish it up just a little bit, take your screwdriver, open her up there, spread it open a little bit. This works when you're coming apart too. You gotta take something in there and spread it up to open that up. And I gotta get that out of there, which I'll do. You see my drive shaft, hopefully you can see it's laying on the ground right there. We are real time, so we gotta do something to get this thing going. You will need a heel bar or something like that to get in here and push down on this. Of course, we're gonna go all the way to the bolts. We're gonna try to assemble it down here. Run our drive shaft through. Don't just put it in there. If it's not through the hole, it ain't gonna work. So you gotta run our drive shaft in there. Pop it in. They can kind of be tricky to pop in. Let's see where I'm at. Hopefully I'm still in the screen. It's kind of hard out here in the sun. It's a bit windy, so I'm gonna shout. Spin it. There you go. Yep, we're in. Alrighty. Let me check my video screen, make sure you're on target. It's pretty close. Yeah. Drive shaft in the spindle. Get the spindle. Get it in there. Utilize your pry bar. Well, we may have to try that a different way. We'll go ahead and loosen her up so I can get it on up here. This ball joint will pull out on you. Once you get her in, hopefully you'll get one to do that, because that's really pretty sweet. Get bolt. Put it in there. You gotta find the right nut. Come on. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, you got 2 for this, 2 for these bolts. We'll blow that one off. 1 for this bolt. Ball joint bolts, strut bolts. Got some dirt on this bolt. $18mm. 13/16. 21 millimeter. Washer. That. Compressor. 1 1/4, I think. Yep, 1 1/4, 3/4 inch drive, 3/4 1/2 inch adapter. Retainer spring. Cotter key. Rotor. Gotta wipe it off, got so much dirt on it. Don't let get the rotor on without much. Can't forget to bend the cotter key. Why? Because you can't get the rotor on. It ain't coming off. Hook to hold the caliper. Let these pads are in. Push the fans back a little bit. Caliper bolts. 1, 2, line them up. Make sure they're started. And they're hard to start, so I'm going to stop the video right here. But yeah, you're pretty much done. You got wheel nuts left, put the wheels on, tighten the caliper up. God bless them, the 405 in real time.